You know, babies, I am getting so tired working at Mr. Beijing's place, and even though it's only like 2 more weeks because it is seasonal, I just can't wait. I mean, I do have fun too, with the cute boys and the waiters that I flirt with at the, alleyway. But I just can't stand these customers always like, oh, where's my order? Where's my drink? The soup is too hot. It's too salty. It's not too good. Whatever. I mean, ugh. I've had to ask Mr. Beijing if I could leave like 2 hours early because I was actually due to like shoot the last remaining segments of my music video, my upcoming music video, which by the way, you guys need to, stay tuned and watch. I don't want you guys sitting there wondering, oh my god, Sarsi, how did you pull that off? But, it has different hairstyles or whatever. I actually recorded segments here and there, the past couple months with my hair being long, cutting short, coloring it, growing it back long again. So no, I did not do this like computer generation thing, whatever, because it's not in my budget, okay? With that said, I've had to cancel all my dates because I can't believe I've overbooked again, okay? But I'm just so burnt out working at that noodle place and then coming home smelling like grease and chicken soup, whatever, or chicken fat. Ugh. Anyway, my babies, that's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and go take a bubble bath and drink my favorite polka dot drink and then maybe catch up on my correspondence, okay? That's it for now. I mean, serving noodles is one thing, but going home smelling like chicken fat? I don't think so, okay?